Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a custom column in the Power BI Query Editor. By the end of this video, you'll know how to combine fields like first name and last name into a single custom column, super useful if you're looking to tidy up your data or add that little extra touch of professionalism to your reports. Let's jump right in so you can get started. Alright, so the first thing you'll need to do is open up Power BI on your computer. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and fire it up, it only takes a minute. Think of Power BI as your command center for all things data-related. Once you're in, we want to make sure we're working with a table that has at least a first name and a last name field. If you don't already have a table like this, don't worry, creating a new one is pretty straightforward. To create a custom table, look to the ribbon at the top of Power BI and click on Enter Data. A new window pops up where you can manually enter information, so just type first name in one column header and last name in the next. You can add a few rows of example names, which helps keep things simple as you follow along. Once you're done, hit the OK button, and your new table will appear in the fields pane over on the right. This step is key because having clean, well-organized data makes everything else in your report so much easier down the line. Now, with your table created, the next thing you'll want to do is get into the query editor. This is where all the real power lies in shaping and transforming your data. Look in the Fields pane, find the table you just made, and right next to the table's name, you'll see 3 dots. Those are your More Options menu. Give that a click, and in the drop-down, select Edit Query. This action opens up the Power Query Editor, a tool that's a bit like a workshop, letting you shape, refine, and polish your data before it ever hits your final report. Inside Query Editor, focus your attention up at the top on the Add Column tab. Click on that, and you'll see an option for Custom Column. Go ahead and click it. This feature is brilliant for those moments when you need to combine data from multiple columns, perform calculations, or simply tweak your data to better fit your needs. Now here's the magic part. In the Custom Column formula box, you'll want to combine your last name and first name into a single field. Enter the formula by selecting the last name column, typing an ampersand, then add a space in double quotes, another ampersand, and finally the first name column. It should look something like last name and first name. What you're doing here is telling Power BI to smoosh the contents of the last name, a blank space, and the first name all together into a single new column. If you've ever put together 2 Lego bricks, it's the same idea except with your data. Once you're satisfied, hit OK. Power BI will instantly add your new custom column to the table, showing your combined name exactly the way you want it. And that's all there is to it. You've just added a custom column in Power BI's Query Editor. This is one of those small skills that pays huge dividends as your data projects get more complex. Trust me, it's a game changer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions or ideas you have in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more step-by-step Power BI guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.